Ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie kigina, minista wa kigina Prof Ndungu niekorire ari na ihinda iritu akigeria gutariria bunge niki kigiritie makoro mamukirite kigina kia ukuria wa icigo cia umbunge NGCDF, no mwena-ini wake minista ategimania maundu cararuku akiuga ati thirikari ikoretwo iri na uritu wa kimbeca ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe muthiru.
In 1 year, Kenya has gone into two extremes. There's a severe drought, and now there is El Nino. In both cases, we have reallocated budget, a supplementary budget, and recurrent budget, and even development budget to save lives.
If we go without any CDF money, we are just going to plunge ourselves into a burning fire.
Gwikinyia gwake mbere ya kamiti no gukite muthenya umwe tu thutha wa ambunge kumururuka cikaro-ini cia bunge magiteta ni gukorwo matamukirite mbeca ici, na kuria marerumire kini ati matiguthie rutha rwa thigũkũ mataciamukirite. Ona gutwika umuthi minista niranire ati ni makwamukira kigina gia ciringi bilioni 5 gukinyiria kiumia giukite.
The contrary is the situation. We seem not to be having any money at all, not just for CDF, but for everything. But CDF is touching the hearts of people.
The new administration faces the reality and tells the reality the way it is. But we are also sure that the world has mistreated us quite for 1 year. You can see the extremes. But let's hold on. We are trying to everything, just like you have said. Anything that is possible that can be done will be done to make sure that we don't get into that.
No hari kiria kiheanire dalili ya kuigana ya ati kwaya gukorwo ambunge na Kenya ni magubatara kugatha mucibio na makiria matuko-ini maica ikuhi. Minista augite ati gutire hindi thirikari ingitiganiria kwamba kuriha mathire maria ari namo ma mabũrũri ma nanja niguo ya betangikire mabataro mangi guku Kenya.
Not getting adequate tax revenues. So you can imagine. In fact, if the chairman can tell you, when you devour the development budget, it means that you remove the capacity for even future growth. So in a sense, we are struggling just to be on the same position.
Hamwe na uguo minista uyu ni atikirite ati thirikari iri na uritu wa kuriha nginyagia mishara ya aruti wira thirikari, na ukiri uguo oria thirikari eheo ihinda riri irathie na mbere na kugeria kwarira mitaratara ya gucokereria wonjoria wa bururi.
Facing a serious liquidity crisis, and that is why we can't come in as fast as we would like to, but it's not a solvency problem. But sometimes people are rushed to say we want the money today, otherwise you are dead on arrival. Sorry for using that word. But you end up taking measures to solve the problem, but those measures are not well coordinated and they can actually ignite solvency challenges. We want to avoid that.
Thirikari iri na thirĩ wa CDF wa muigana wa ciringi bilioni 22 kuma riria mwaka uyu wa kigina wa 2023 na 2024 wambĩrĩirie. Harĩ mweri thirikari ibatie ni gukorwo ikirekereria ciringi bilioni 4.5 ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩeri 6 thutha wa gukorwo ambunge mamukirite o ciringi bilioni 14 harĩ ciringi bilioni 54 iria mabatie ni gukorwo mamukirite mwaka uyu wa kigina. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.